I went with 3 zip ties on here to hold that one together. And I think that'll do it. It's a big arm that broke. Here's the plant. It's a beast. It's not been trimmed yet. I'm doing that tomorrow. It should look like that when I'm done. Cleaning up the aisles right now. That's what I'm dealing with currently, and after tomorrow should be closer to this. Just a lot of work to make things look this good and to keep all the limbs off the plastic and thinned out, you know, so the air can get through them and I don't have any problems with powdery mildew. Okay, back to mowing.